I'm Lori, and welcome to my Headstand series. Today we're going to details on how to headstand using the wall without depending on it. So you can eventually become confident in doing a headstand in the middle of the room and technically just about everywhere. Before anything else, do a warm-up before attempting a headstand, especially if this is new to you. If you like, I have a warm-up and preparatory video that I linked in the description below. And to understand the body alignment and the proper ways to do a headstand, go check out my 8 tips on how to do it, also linked below. If you're all warmed up and ready, let's get into it.
There are 2 ways to use the wall to practice mastering a headstand or any form of inversion in general. The first way is your back to the wall. This is the most beginner and common form of wall assist and probably the one where you would feel safest. Positioning your back against the wall would help you build core strength to lift your legs without thinking so much about back control. I have 3 tips in executing this where you won't have to depend on the wall so much. My first tip is place your base close to the wall. Place your base, which is your arms and your head, close to the wall like this. If you put your base far from the wall, your back would arch significantly, and most of your weight would be on your back and not your core, where it should be. Also, you will never achieve proper alignment that way. So the closer you are to the wall, the better. Second is do not let your butt touch the wall. Remember, your butt should be placed directly above your shoulders, and doing this is messing up with your alignment. And your arms would not build up enough strength to be able to fully carry your entire weight because you've depended on the wall for the weight of your entire legs. Third is bend your knees. Bending your knees would improve alignment. You're not leaning on the wall, you're letting the wall assist you. Engage and truly focus on your core while lifting one leg at a time. The second way to use the wall to practice is by facing the wall. Doing headstands this way would help you build enough back strength and control to be able to fully manage a headstand without support. I also have 3 tips in executing this where you can eventually go wall free. First is measure your distance from the wall. Measure your distance from the wall using your leg. Sit in a staff position and mark where your hip ends, and that is where your base should be placed. Second is walk your leg up the wall. Walk your legs up the wall until your body forms an inverted L shape. Try your best to be in this position where your feet are aligned to your butt, not higher, not lower. Third is push yourself away from the wall. Use your leg to push yourself away from the wall. Most common mistakes people do, which I did wrong too the first few times, is trying to push my leg upwards. Pushing your leg away would help you transfer most of your weight to your arms and help your back build strength and control. However, if you push upwards, most of your weight isn't in your base and you would end up depending on your other leg, making it difficult to release both of them. Like I mentioned in my first video, try to do a tuck first before lifting your legs. This would help you find your balance initially. Then lift legs one at a time.
Good luck on your headstand journey, and I'll see you on my